Connecting a VCR to a Spectrum cable box in 2025 requires understanding analog versus digital signals. VCRs are analog devices, while Spectrum primarily uses digital signals, so direct recording of digital channels isn't possible without additional equipment. For analog pass-through, use an RG6 coaxial cable to connect the Spectrum cable box's RF out port to the VCR's RF in or antenna in port. This allows the VCR to receive basic cable channels. If your Spectrum box has RCA outputs for audio and video, connect them to the VCR's RCA inputs for direct playback. For recording, loop the signal. Connect Spectrum box RCA outputs to VCR RCA inputs and VCR RCA outputs to TV RCA inputs. Note that many newer Spectrum boxes lack RCA outputs, so you might need an HDMI to RCA converter to enable these connections. To record from your Spectrum box, ensure it's outputting on a channel your VCR can tune to by checking the TV setup menu on your box. The VCR then uses its line in for the external source, allowing analog signals to be recorded. For troubleshooting, make sure the VCR is on the correct channel, matching the output from the Spectrum box. If there's no signal, inspect the coax line for splitters or amplifiers, as they can cause signal loss, especially over long distances over 50 feet. Be aware that digital channels from Spectrum cannot be recorded directly onto a VCR due to encryption and signal differences.